Flying me back to Memphis. Gotta find my Daisy Jane. Well, the summer's gone, and I hope she's feeling the same. Well, I left her just to roam the city, thinking of what is the pain. I'm a crazy man, and I'm playing my crazy game. Game. Agoy. Does she really love me? I think she does. Like the stars above me, I know because when the sky is bright and everything's alright, flying me back to Memphis, honey, keep on and warm. All these clouds are clearing, and I think we're over the storm. Oh, well, I've been picking it up around me. This is the thing I'm saying. Well, I'm awful glad, and I guess you're really to blame. Blame. Do you really love me? I hope you do. Like the stars above you, how I love you. When it's cold at night and everything's alright. Does she really love me? I think she does. Like the stars above me, I know because when the sky is bright and everything's alright. Hmm.